How to transfer money from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet app and log into your account. Once you've logged in, your dashboard will look like this. Click on the Receive button, and it will show you all the wallets connected to your account. You can choose from Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. Click on the Copy button next to the wallet you want to use, or click on the Ethereum button to open a space that shows your QR code and wallet address at the bottom. Click the Copy button to copy your wallet address. Once you have your wallet address, open your Robinhood app and tap on the search option at the bottom. In the search bar, enter the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, in this case Ethereum, and select it from the search results. On this page, click the Send button. A new screen will appear where you need to enter the amount you want to transfer in dollars and click Continue. Then, you'll be asked to scan the QR code or paste the wallet address. If you want to scan the QR code, open your Phantom Wallet address on another phone and scan it. To paste the wallet address, click on the Enter Manually option, where you can tap and hold to paste your wallet address. After pasting the address, click on the Review button, double-check the details, and if everything is correct, click on the Transfer button. Once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Robinhood to your Phantom Wallet. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe.